Alright, so we just had a bunch of rain and we got a lot. Holy crap. Okay, hang on, I'm gonna flip y'all around, hang on. Alright, look at this. Y'all come here. That's the creek. That creek's only usually like, the deepest part we have is like 10 feet deep. Sorry about the voice crack. But the deepest we usually have is like 6 to 8 feet deep. But we just had like 4 inches of rain. Sorry. We just had like 4 inches of rain. And look at this. Y'all come here. Look at that. Oh, look at that. There's a tree floating down. Look. Look at the tree floating down. There's 2 trees floating down, 3 trees. That's cool. Look at that. There's a tree. There's a tree. And there's a tree. There was a tree right here. A big one. I don't know what happened to it. I guess it got taken by the current. That's not a tree, it's just a big thing of bushes. Alright, so I'm on the bridge. And it's just, that right there is the new bridge. I'm gripping my phone with 100 pounds. There's a Mountain Dew bottle down there. There's another tree right there. And there's another one there. Those trees right there, they're about to get knocked over. I know they are. Alright, we're gonna watch that tree come out on this side. Oh, there it is. And there's a big thing coming this way. Just imagine getting sucked into that. I think it's coming. Yep, there it is. Alright, that'll wrap it up. Come on! Calling for the dogs. Pearl! Pearl! Alright, so my dog just went in the woods. Right over there. Right there. And I'm pretty sure she's not stupid enough, but I'm pretty sure she's stupid enough to get in the water and try to swim across the 200 feet of water that she has to swim across. Because that doesn't do it. If you jumped in there, you would look like one of the logs just floating down there. And that tree right there, I can't wrap my arms around it. And I'm 4'11", and I can't wrap my arms around it. It's about to push that tree over. Oh yeah, here comes a big tree. I'll catch y'all up when it gets closer. Alright, here it comes. I was hoping it was gonna stay sideways and hit this tree right here, but it didn't. Here it comes. There it is. That's good. It got cut off the top. Look at that. Alright, here comes another one, so. Hello, Stella. You are my loyal companion, eh? Daisy! Come on! Come on! Oh, yeah, that's a big old tree. Alright, so we're going to wait for that last little bit of stuff to come down. Good tree, that's a big old tree. A little bit more stuff coming. That's it. I don't think there's anything else, but there's a lot of stuff. Well, this was a little long video of the flood, so I will catch y'all on the next one.